Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of brooch. Let's start. First of all, I have this kind of beaded element. How to create it you can find the link below this video, and I will put it here as well, so you can create this braided crystal yourself. And we will attach it to our felt. First of all, we will use a glue, and then I will make a couple of stitches all around this crystal. All necessary materials what I will use for this tutorial you can find in the description below this video. First of all, I will need to measure and find the middle. Here will be our middle, and I will mark it on my file this way. And now I will take a glue and glue in my crystal. I will put glue inside here and a bit to my crystal, but be very careful not to damage inside part here. That's why it should be very just a tiny layer of glue, and put it in the middle this way. Press. Take our needle and thread, secure the thread, and make a couple of stitches to secure our crystal more. Just go inside the seed beads and make a stitch to the felt. Try to not go up and work only on the bottom part of our crystal. Now I will take crystals and I will glue them in to the lines, and after I will sew them on with my thread. One by one I will attach them to the lines. I will leave a link below this video for where I bought these drop crystals as well, but to be honest I'm not 100% happy with the result, because I thought that they will be made of glass, but anyways they look quite pretty, so that's why I decided still to create this brooch, as I was waiting for these crystals quite long. So we will see what we will have by the end of this video. After I put a bit of glue on each crystal, I will sew them on. For it I will make my thread double. I will just make a knot on the thread here. I will secure it by passing through the same spot a couple of times, and will sew on my crystals, every crystal by passing 2 times. As you can see, my glue didn't work on this kind of crystals. I don't know why, maybe because their metal base is not good for this glue. I know that there's another glue to use it, but I will just sew them on without any glue. As you can see, sometimes glue is not working well with some of crystals or metal, so that's why you need to be very careful and always double check your creation, and better to be safe than sorry. That's why I always use a glue, but in the meantime I always sew on elements as well, just to be sure and on the safe side. One by one I will sew on my crystals. I have finished to sew on my crystals, and now I will work with this soft metal wire. For it I will cut it for around 1 centimeter pieces, because I will need to sew it on inside my flower, in between middle crystal and my other crystals. I will fill in this space. I will do it with single thread. Take metal wire and make a stitch shorter than the wire. One stitch next to other. Fill in all space in between crystals. I have finished my inside part. I will secure my thread and cut it. Now I will need to cut out my embroidery, but be very careful not to cut out our threads from the back side. I cut out my embroidery. Now I will need to make it as a brooch. For it, I take a cardboard and I will circle my brooch to the cardboard. full tutorial of how to finish the brooch, I will leave the link below this video and I will put it here as well. But in this video I will make it very fast. Our brooch is ready. As you can see, for the back side I have used dark gray seed beads, size 10-0 crystals. I am quite happy with them. After I wear this brooch, it's still is shiny and looks very nice on my sweater. Yes, of course they are not from the glass, but if you are a beginner and you want to try yourself in this new hobby, for you it will be a good idea to start not with the expensive crystals, but something like this, which is not so expensive and looks quite good. What I understood after wearing it a couple of times, I see some scratches inside my crystal from the back side, and it is most probably because I put glue on the back side of the crystal. As you remember, after I braided the crystal, I put the glue on the seed beads and on this part as well, but this was my mistake. It is just colored, so that's why you can't put the glue there. So avoid this mistake, and then you will have a perfect brooch. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon in my next tutorials. Bye!